Now we are going to see the concept of NPV, which is also termed as the full form of the NPV is net present value. When we do the sums of the NPV in manual method, we have this formula, that is present value of cash inflow minus present value of cash outflow. We have done the sums, the same sums we have done in your book in manual method. So NPV is a financial measure to tell if an investment is going to be a profitable or if it is worth investing in that particular project or not. So the future value of the investment will be tell under the NPV method. So this will help us, this formula basically will help us to measure the future, the perspective plan or the budgeted plan. So with that we can analyze whether we should invest in that particular project or not. If the NPV is positive, we should invest in that particular project. Now for this particular question number 1, the year are mentioned 0, 1, 2, 3. Cash flows, this is inflow and outflow. This minus figure denotes that this is a outflow. Then the discounted rates are mentioned over here. This is the inflow. Now the syntax for the NPV is equal to NPV in bracket, the rate is mentioned, right? So we will be selecting the rate, thereafter comma, the values, done, thereafter close the bracket, then plus symbol and the outflow, and you are done. So this is how you will get the answer for the NPV in the Excel format. Check out the formula once again, is equal to NPV, net present value, D4. D4 is nothing but this range, D4. This is the rate which is mentioned, discounted rate. Thereafter comma, we need all the inflows. So inflows are mentioned over here. Close the bracket, plus. Why we have mentioned the plus? Because this value is already in minus. So we have mentioned the plus this C3, and you just need to press the enter and you will get the value of the net present value. These are the some basic sums. Now that we have the second sum, where we have the statement, if you are considering an investment that requires the initial investment of rupees 1 2 3 4 5 1 lakh, and the expected cash flow for 4 years are given. Now the cash flow for the 4 years are given. This is the outflow of 1 lakh, done, and these are the inflows given, done. Now we should invest in the proposal or we should not, that we need to decide. For the previous sum, the answer was 29,977. So the answer which we have got over here is a positive, and we should invest in the proposal. Now the discounted rate is given as 8%, done, and some answer will go like this, is equal to NPV in bracket. The first was what the syntax says that it is rate, done. We have selected the rate as 8%. Thereafter the outflows, the inflows are selected, bracket complete, plus outflow is mentioned over here, and with this we have got the value as this, that is 26,289. This says that the value of the NPV is positive, and since it is a positive, we should invest into the proposal. Now these are the basic two sums we have seen. In the next lecture we will see the advanced sums of the NPV, done. So here we have three sums. We'll see in the next lecture.